Going to discuss about simple present, present. So there are four types of sentences. One is habitual actions, like she sings. That means she sings again and again. And another one is continuous. That means something which is going on right now. So it is called present continuous. Subject then followed by be verb. M is R, any one of the be verb, and then ing form of the main verb. And there is another type of tense, simple present perfect. That means some action just has been completed, but its effects are still here. So this is called present perfect. I have seen the film. So that means that I have seen the film just a few minutes ago or few months ago, but even I have an emotions to the film. I can describe it, or I have some good or bad feelings about it, and it is just fresh in my mind. And there is another type of continuous, which is called perfect continuous. That means the action started in the past but still going on. It has been raining since morning. It has been raining for an hour. So if I say that it is raining, it just simply means that it is raining now. But if I say it has been raining since morning, that means it started in the past and it's still going on. So it's called perfect continuous. So thank you. It is recorded for future references for the students.